Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the topic that is discounting of a bill. Now there are two parts in the discount. First was discount, that is simple discount, and next is discounting of a bill. Now we have done with the important formulas, important concepts regarding discounting of a bill. That is what is banker's discount, what is legal due date, nominal due date, and all that. So directly we can start with, or else if you want, once again we will read all the things of discounting of a bill, okay, concepts related to that, and then you have to do the sum. Now discount, you know, everybody knows what is discount. Now present worth, sum due, true discount. Now present worth. Now I will give you one example of this. We will read one example. If a payment is made on spot, then let the goods be worth rupees 600. Now if you are paying for the goods on spot, means you have the whole amount of that, then the price is rupees 600. Okay. However, if you are not in a position to pay rupees 600 at the time of purchase, then a credit of 3 months is allowed by the businessman. Then he will quote, but after 3 months will the price will remain same? No. He will quote by the price by adding the interest of 3 months. He will quote the price of the goods by adding the interest. Whatever rate he will quote, it is up to him to quote the rate. The rate of interest, that is 10% suppose, for 3 months. Okay. Now here n is equals to 3 months and r is equals to 10%. So we will find out what is this. First we will find out the percent. 600 into what is 3 months. But our rate is always calculated annually. 3 upon 12 into 10 upon 100. 6 twos are 5, that is 3 5s are 15. So how much more interest? So he will have to pay 600 plus 15, that is rupees 615. So from this example we come to know that the present worth, that is PW, is rupees 600. Means आज किसकी कीमत है 600. After 3 months the price of same goods is going to be 615. So the sum due is rupees 615. And you know, you know. Now drawer, drawee and date of drawing. Drawer, a person who draws the bill. You know this concepts all in the commerce part, but still I am reading. A person who draws the bill is called a drawer, or a creditor, or payee also it is. A person on whom the bill is drawn is called as drawee, that is acceptor or debtor. Date of drawing. अब ये ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है, ये ट्रांजैक्शन जिस दिन पे हुआ है बिल निकलता है, that bill, the date on which the bill is done is, that is called as date of bill. Face value, the amount for which the bill is drawn. Now in this case this is the present worth, but after 3 months the due is going to be 615. So what amount will be written on the bill? That is 615. So face value of the bill will be 615. The amount for which the bill is drawn is called face value. Face value is nothing but sum due. Period. It is here in this case, what is the period? 3 months. So the duration of time after which the drawer receives the payment. Okay. The drawer receives the payment. Nominal due date. Now this is very important. Now suppose in this case bill is drawn on, suppose 3rd March. Okay. For 3 months. For how many months? For 3 months. So when your bill will expire, calculate 3 months after 3 March, 3rd April, 3rd May and 3rd June. So 3rd of June will be your due date. Now, nominal due date, the date on which the period of bill expires is called as nominal due date. So, 3rd June will be your nominal due date. But a grace of 3 days plus 3 days, so 3 plus 3, 6th June. So 6th June will be your legal due date. Means legally you have to pay your bill on 6th June. Now discounting of a bill means what? Up to this all these were normal things. Now the bill was drawn on 3rd March. It is due on 3rd June. Nominal. Legal due date 6th June. But if the purchaser is in a जो खरीदता है is in a position to return the amount before 3rd June or 6th June, or if the person wants the amount before 3rd June and June, it is the provision to return before. Now suppose 3rd March को bill था, this is the nominal due. But in case if he is in a position 1st May को ही वो return कर रहा है या 2nd May को return कर रहा है suppose, okay? तो कितने days कम हो रहे हैं? 2nd May से 6th June, okay? यानी उसने कितने दिनों तक रखे पैसे वो 3rd March से 2nd May, लेकिन कितने दिनों तक नहीं रखे मीन्स कितने दिन कम करने चाहिए? How will you calculate that? 2nd May to 6th June. Okay, उतना interest होगा कम. Now discounting a bill. If the drawer of the bill wants the money before the legal due date, then a bill of exchange duly accepted is discounted by the bank or agent. It is not in case of bank always, and they pay the amount to the drawer. This amount is not equal to the face value. Now, this particular person who is returning the money on 2nd May will tell that मैं जब 3rd June या 6th June को return करने वाला था, then my bill was ₹615. But now when I am returning before time, then I will not pay ₹615. So he will demand some discount on that, and that is called as discounting of a bill. This amount is not equal to the face value. This function is called discounting the bill. Now, banker's discount क्या होता है? We will see. On discounting a bill, the bank will deduct, isn't it, the interest of the face value of the bill. कैसे डिटेक्ट करना है वो हम देखेंगे अभी इसमें. From the period of date of discounting to the legal due date, कहाँ तक कहाँ कैलकुलेट करना है? Date of discounting 2nd May है, legal due date है 6th June, तब तक का interest. From the date of discounting to legal due date and pay the balance to the drawer. ये यहाँ तक का interest करेंगे. Suppose 25 rupees. It is not calculated. I am just giving 25 rupees. तो 615 में से 25 rupees माइनस करेंगे और उतना अमाउंट आएगा उतना ही पे करना पड़ेगा उसको. So this interest is called as banker's discount, and banker's discount is also called as commercial discount. Banker's discount is denoted by BD. Cash value, the amount paid to the drawer of the bill after deducting, means whatever 615 में से आप 25 rupees minus करोगे, that is called as cash value. Okay, so cash value की वैल्यू निकालनी है face value minus banker's discount. Now we will see the sums on this. Okay, now see here. First sum. I think we have written the formulas. All the formulas are written with you, isn't it? So no need to do the formulas again, or if you want we will write the formulas again. Okay. Now the formulas will be like this. Come on. SD. Now I am writing all the short forms. PW means present work plus true discount. Present work plus we know what is true discount is calculated by PW into L into R upon 100. If we take PW common, this all things I think I have explained before also. Okay, so these things you have to remember, and we will start with the sums. Now, regarding dictating the sums, the speed is not too high that you cannot write the sums. If I start dictating slowly, then within the stipulated period, our portion will not be over. So you have to be particular while noting down the sums. Come on. First question. What is the present worth of a sum of, I think this type of questions we have done. Now discounting of a bill का ही questions करेंगे. Write down. A bill of rupees 4,000. A bill, I will repeat twice. A bill of rupees 4,000 on 5th January 1998. Remember, जब भी date of bill जो होती है वो before February होती है, you have to consider the year also, because February में it may be leap year or not. So a bill of rupees 4,000 drawn on 5th January 1998 for 8 months was discounted for rupees 3840 on a certain date. Find the date on which it was discounted at 10% per annum. Okay, I will read the question again. A bill of rupees 4,000 drawn on 5th January 1998 for 8 months was discounted for rupees 3840 on a certain date. We don't know that date of discounting. Find the date on which it was discounted at 10% per annum. Now here we will write down first what is given. A bill of rupees 4,000 means the present face value of bill is, see, face value of bill is rupees 4,000. Okay. It was drawn on 5th January 1998 means date of drawing. Date of drawing bill is 5th January 1998. Period is for 8 months means period is of 8 months. Now face value is given, cash value it is given to be 3840 means how much actual amount the particular person is returning, and R is given to be 10%. Only this much is given part, and we want to find the date of discounting. Okay. Now, what is the face value? 4,000. And what is the cash value? Means how much amount is cut to right discount, that is the banker's discount. We know that 4,000 minus 3840. Come on, write down after this so that I can rub the part. So that comes out to be rupees 160. Okay. This much you know. Now banker's discount, another formula is SD means what? Sum due into N into R upon 100. Okay. Now banker's discount is given to be 160. We don't know the sum due, that is 4,000 into N. N means we don't know how much, into R means 10 upon 100. Okay. So N will be equal to, we calculate this, 4 into 40 into 10 again, 400 N is equals to 160. So N will be 160 upon 400. That is 8 2s are 8 5s are, that is 2 upon 5. Now we want days. So 365. That is 146 days. Okay. So this much calculations we have done. डिस्काउंट कितने दिनों में हुआ है उसका? 146 डेज के बाद डिस्काउंटिंग हुआ है. ओके, नाउ सी we will be using our given information. What is date of drawing? 5th January. For how many months? 8 months. So what will be the nominal due date? Nominal due date कितनी होगी इसकी बताओ. 5th January से लेके 8 months तक आप कैलकुलेट करो. What will be that? 5th January से लेके 8 months आप कैलकुलेट करोगे. 5th Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So what will be the nominal due date? 5th September. Legal due date, add 3, 8th September. And number of days from the date of discounting, how much we have calculated? That is 146 days. Okay, now see. What is our legal due date? September में, तो यहाँ September आएगा. September से पहले कौन सा मंथ आएगा? August. August से पहला कौन सा मंथ आएगा? July. June. Okay. Now September के कितने days? How much days we will take off September? 8 days. Okay. हमें टोटल कितना लाना है? 146. ओके, अगस्त के कितने डेज होते हैं? 31. जुलाई के 31, जून के 30, मई एंड अप्रैल, मई के 31. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी, 31 प्लस 8, 13, 8 प्लस 1, 9 प्लस 1, 10 प्लस 1, 11. 1 कैरी, 3 प्लस 1, 4 प्लस 3, 7, 10, 13, 30. अब बट टोटल मेरे पास कितने हैं? 147. तो मैं कितने ऐड करूंगी? 15. यानी 15 अप्रैल तक, 15 अप्रैल से लेके 8 सितंबर तक जो भी अमाउंट आता है वो डिस्काउंट हुआ है. सो आपका ये जो बिल है वो डिस्काउंटेड कब हो गया? 15th अप्रैल. सो व्हाट इज द डेट ऑफ डिस्काउंटिंग? 15th अप्रैल. नेक्स्ट सम. You write down this stuff. Once you get through the sums, you will understand. A bill of rupees 4015. A bill of rupees 4015 drawn on 19th January 2006 for 8 months was discounted on 28th February 2006 at 8% per annum. Now you have to calculate the banker's discount and cash value of the bill. Now see here what is given. A bill of rupees 4015. So face value of the bill is rupees 4015. It was drawn on, so date of drawing, when was the bill drawn? 19th January 2006. What is the period? For 8 months. This date of discounting, it is given to be 28th February 2006. Rate of interest is given to be 8% per annum. Okay. Now from this you can calculate the nominal due date and the legal due date. Nominal due date. Now what was the date of drawing? 19 January. Period is of 8 months. So 19 January से 8 months calculate करोगे आप. So what will be the nominal due date? 19 September. नाउ लीगल ड्यू डेट, इसमें 3 ऐड करेंगे, 22nd Sep. Okay, this much part you just note down so that I will rub and start with the next part. Okay. अब डिस्काउंट कब हुआ है? What is date of discounting? 28th Feb. You know very well what is date of discounting. Date of discounting means at that date, before due date या before nominal due date या before legal due date is written in the bill. Now see. Date of discounting is 28th February. So February के तो कोई months नहीं आएंगे because it is which year? Days नहीं आएंगे because it is 2006. तो 2006 में February के 28 days ही होते हैं. तो 28 February को ही डिस्काउंट हुआ है, मतलब उसने कहाँ तक यूज किए वो पैसे? 19 जनवरी से लेके 28 Feb तक. ओके, अब मार्च बचा है आपके पास पूरा, अप्रैल बचा है, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त एंड सितंबर. ओके, अब मार्च 31 डेज. कितने डेज पहले उसने रिटर्न किया? सो दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल डेट. अप्रैल 30, मई 31, जून 30, जुलाई 31, अगस्त 31 एंड what is the legal due date? 22nd. So सितंबर के कितने डेज लूंगी मैं? So what are the total dates? Just calculate. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 12, 15, 18. So total how many days? But while calculating n into r, तो p into n into r upon 100 होता है, that is in the form of years. So 206 upon 365. Don't try to reduce to lowest term. Now what we want to calculate? Banker's discount. What is the formula of banker's discount? Sum due or face value into n into r upon 100. What is the face value? 4015. And just now we have got 206 upon 365. R, I think it is 8% upon. Now easily you can calculate banker's discount and you can find out the cash value. So directly I will get here 181.25. इतना कम करना पड़ेगा उसको. Why? Because अगर वो पूरे यहाँ तक लेता तो उसको कितना भरना पड़ता? 4015. बट एज ही इज पेइंग बिफोर, तो इतने डेज का इंटरेस्ट माइनस करके ही वो भरेगा. सो व्हाट विल बी द कैश वैल्यू? फेस वैल्यू कितनी है? 4015 माइनस व्हाट इज द कैश वैल्यू? 181.25. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Come on. Write down the question. A bill drawn on 3rd June. A bill drawn on 3rd June for 6 months was discounted. A bill drawn on 3rd June for 6 months was discounted at the rate of 5% on 17th October. If cash value of the bill is rupees 43500, if cash value of the bill is rupees 43500, अब क्या नहीं दिया हुआ है? face value. So you have to find the face value of the bill. Okay. So first you write down what is given. Cash value means discount minus करने के बाद वो कितना अमाउंट लौटाएगा? ₹43,500. Rate of interest is given to be 5%. Now period of bill for how many months? 6 months. This date of discounting it is given to be 17th October. Okay. Date of drawing is given to be 3rd June. Write down this much part. Very good. Now, कब date हुआ है इसका? 3rd June. For how many days? For how many months? 6 months. So from this you can calculate nominal due date and legal due date. Come on, write down this first. Now we'll calculate the nominal due date. Nominal due date. Now see, it was drawn on 3rd June for 6 months. So 3rd June से लेके 6 months तक calculate करोगे आप. So it will be 3rd December. Legal due date कितनी होगी? 3 + 3 6. Okay. अब वो डिस्काउंट कब हुआ है? अक्टूबर में. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, कहाँ तक जाएगा आपका? December, and this will be the total. Now see, अक्टूबर के कितने मंथ्स तक उसने यूज किया है? वो 17 डेज. तो 17 डेज तक उसने यूज किया. मीन्स अक्टूबर के कितने डेज बचते हैं? How many days of October are remaining not used? 14 days. November पूरा 36. So what is the total? 30 plus 14, that is 44 plus 10, 50. But you know that these are the days, 50 days, and they have to be converted into years. That is 365. Okay. Now face value. What is the banker's discount? We will calculate. We know the formula of banker's discount. Banker's discount is equal to sum due or the face value into n into r upon n. We don't know the banker's discount. Face value of the bill is, we also don't know that. So face value will remain x. Okay. N. What is n? Just now we have got 50 upon 365. Okay. Into r. What is the r? 5%. This much. Okay. Now here, this much we have to calculate. Banker's discount. We know that banker's discount is what? What is the formula to find banker's discount? See, banker's discount is nothing but what? Cash value minus face value. Okay. Now, first you write down this much so that I can rub this part and you will get the answer of this. Okay. Now, banker's discount is equals to face value minus cash value. We don't know face value, isn't it? So x and cash value. What is the cash value? It is given as how much? 43500. So we will put this in this formula. Banker's discount is equals to C. X minus 43500 is equals to x into 250 upon 365. Now you just calculate this and find out the answer. X की वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है. अब अगर नहीं आता then see 43500 is equals to, if you want you can reduce to lowest term. 5 50s are 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are, that is 50 x upon 73. This you bring this side. X minus 50x upon 73 is equals to, this you will bring to this side. Easily you can calculate 73 minus 50 upon 73 is equals to 43500. Now this is a linear equation, you can calculate it. Okay. Next sum, just write down. Next sum. A bill was drawn on 12th April a bill was drawn on 12th April for rupees 3500 and was discounted on 4th July at 5% per annum. The banker paid rupees 3465 for the bill. Find the period of the bill. Now see both cash value. So first face value, what is the face value of bill is given? 3500. Cash value is given to be 3465. Date of drawing is given. Date of drawing is given to be 12th April. No need of year here. For date of discounting is given 4th July. And rate of interest is given to be 5%. This much is given. Now, when both face value and cash value are given, we can easily calculate a banker's discount. Banker's discount is equals to face value minus cash value, that is 3500 minus 3465, that comes out to be rupees 35. So we have what? 35. Now बैंकर्स डिस्काउंट का और एक फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास. बैंकर्स डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल्स टू सम ड्यू इनटू एन, और यू कैन राइट डाउन द फेस वैल्यू आल्सो, r upon 100. Banker's discount is given to be 35. Sum due or the face value is given to be 3500, and we don't know, n into r upon 100. 0 gets cancelled. So here 5 into n into 35 is equals to 35. So what will be this? 5n will be equal to 1. Got it? ये 35 को लिखेगा. n is equals to 1 upon 5 year. तो year को हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? days में. 1 upon 5 into 365, that is 73 days. अब हमें period of bill कैलकुलेट करना है, तो we have got 73 days. Write down this much. Now see here. What is date of drawing? See here. Bill was drawn on 12th April. Okay. Date of discounting 4th July. Okay. And just now we have what as 73 days. Now अब जाएंगे टोटल जुलाई, है ना. जुलाई को डिस्काउंट हुआ था, यानी 4th जुलाई तक उसने पैसे रखे. अब कितने दिनों तक उसने पैसे नहीं रखे विल कैलकुलेट. जुलाई, अगस्त, ये कहाँ तक करते जाएंगे? जब तक हमारा टोटल 73 नहीं आता तब तक. अब डेट 4th जुलाई को तो डिस्काउंट हुआ था, मीन्स जुलाई के कितने डेज बचते हैं? 27. अगस्त पूरा, that is 31. Now 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 2 5, 58. How much remain? 73 minus 58, यानी 15 सितंबर क्या होगी आपकी? लीगल ड्यू डेट होगी. तो नॉमिनल ड्यू डेट कितनी होगी बताओ? 15 माइनस दैट इज 12 सितंबर. ओके. डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग क्या था? 12 अप्रैल. नॉमिनल ड्यू डेट क्या मिला है हमें? 12 सितंबर. यानी 12 अप्रैल से लेकर 12 सितंबर तक हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? दैट विल बी योर पीरियड ऑफ डे. ओके. So these are the few sums. In the next period we will take more sums plus annuity.